Hello, how are you? Yeah, kilala ko ni ano, wait lang. Kilala ko ni Jem. Grabe. Ayan.
Kamusta po kayo? Nakita ko po si Kuya Insane World
Ay,
dito.
nakakapag-latter naman. Ating idol sa ano, sa ating mga Boracay vlogs. What's up guys? Welcome back to Insane World. So we're here at the Muse Hotel here in Boracay Station 1. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Babayu! Babayu! Bye-bye! Station X Babayu Hotel. Bababa kami sa may...
Alam mo yung may station hotel niya?
Bababa kami sa may Bandavita Ortega, tapos beach path. Okay, so maglalakad pa kami. Ang dami na yung bagahe. So let's go. Dito tayo bababa sa may Astoria Station 1 sa Ohoho. Papunta sa Muse galing sa Station X sa U Hotel. Hotel hopping pa more. Ayun kaya naman. Ayun, flat naman. Alright, so punta tayo sa beach. Gia! Okay, nandito tayo sa may activities area sa may Astoria. Ayun na yung dami, so nakikita ko na. Meron tayong sugar dito, oh. Top. Bili tayo ng Tiger Sugar dito.
Tiger Sugar.
Sugar Tommy. Oo nga eh. If pagod na kayong maglalakad, use my Agoda promo code pagod ako. Totoo yun, for a 10% discount. Ito na yung the Muse. Meron silang swimming sa tok-tok. Yan, may nalka. And we're here at the Muse Hotel Boracay. Papagod guys. Beachfront na beachfront siya. Ayan, hello po. Ay, sige, thank you. Ayan. Ayan, welcome po. We're in the Muse Hotel Boracay. Hello po. Ay, welcome tayo. Ang dami nag-welcome sa atin. Kahit toys kami. Hindi pa inom agad. Thank you po. Grabe, thank you so much. Ay, hello daw oh. Ay, dali, hello daw oh. Hello daw, Gia. Hello daw oh. Hello. Hello ka, dali. Ay, natakot, nahiya. Oy, vlogger ka. Dali, Gia, hi. Hi, dali. Hi. Pay ka talaga.
I've discussed na lang po sir yung
Okay.
guest reminder. Ang standard check-in time is 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
So as per check-in sir, we allow na lang 2 p.m.
Yay. Thank you so much.
For free po.
Yay.
And for check-out po sir tomorrow, 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
All
Apo.
rooms
Okay.
are non-smoking for smoking area
Okay.
outside and in your veranda.
Okay.
And with safety deposit box provided in your room. And for swimming pool hours 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Beach towel and beach mat umbrella you can borrow po.
Okay.
And for breakfast tomorrow, 6:30 to 10 a.m.
12 p.m. ako. Yung breakfast doon niya is rated or buffet?
Okay po guys.
Buffet po?
Yes.
Okay. So mabubusog na naman tayo. Puro buffet na lang araw-araw.
Yes po. Just for your signature na lang.
Okay. Yung additional, how much ba siya?
For additional po sir, 1,500.
1,500, okay.
With breakfast na din po yun.
Okay.
Name, this one, and the password po.
Okay.
Dial 0 sir for
Dahil 0 per ano. Okay.
your space.
Hi. Okay, thank you so much for the seamless check-in. Wala pang 1 minute. Seamless check-in pala dito sa Damis.
Bilis naman ang check-in. Seamless check-in.
Thank you. Ay, ikaw, Gia. Di ka pa nagte-thank you, Gia. Gia.
Bye-bye.
Dali.
Bye-bye.
Nagababay na siya. So they allowed us for an early check-in. Thank you so much, the Muse.
Let's go, Gia. Good job. Wow, there's a pool, Gia.
Wow. Look at this. Wow, meron silang indoor swimming pool.
Kapag sabi mo, Gia, gusto mo mag-tap?
Magtatap ng card.
Dali po guys.
Yeah. Get the card to him.
Get the card.
Alam po niya. Wait lang. Dito ako sa other side. Yay!
Yay!
Good job! Wow!
Ay, bumabig na! Wow!
Wow, malamig na. Diretso na mo. Wow!
Okay. Wow! 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 Lamig, sarap. Si Kuya.
Yeah, thank you po.
Thank you po. Ay, keycard pala. Ayun. Thank you. Thank you po. Okay, yung toiletries guys.
Ay,
Additional.
Hindi ka kasi umuupo dito, tapos pumapost siya.
Ah.
Ano, pinicturean ko muna, tsaka binidyo ko. Kaya di
Ah. Give me, boy.
Yeah, pasok na, Gia. Let's go inside.
Pasok. Go inside. Go. But first, let's have a quick tour. Let's focus on the right side first. We have two bathrobes. Kasi decide yung room for 2 packs. And then you can put your luggages in here. Nakalagay na yung gamit namin. We have a safety deposit box you can use. Maraming drawers so you can put everything. And then on the right side you have here coffee, creamer, water kettle, complimentary what do you call this? Mineral water, nature spring. We also have a mini ref. Yan, may nakalagay na kagad, dilagay na kagad namin para mas malamig. Alright, punta tayo sa CR. Yan, look at this. Simple lang yung kanilang CR. It's a simple CR. Meron tayong mini towel, bath soap, toiletries, all of the things that you're going to see in a room. So, dental kit, lotion, cotton buds, sanitary bag, shower cap, meron din sila pang sinulid. Very rare to sa mga hotel. And then, may hot and cold, I think. Hot and cold ba to? Ayun, umiinit. Hot and cold siya, confirm. Then meron siyang blower dito at vanity mirror. And may big mirror. Although makikita natin na Miss Hotel is already an old hotel. Parang naalala ko matagal na siya. Kahit yung shower niya, hindi siya inuuwi. So meron dito, dispenser. Tapos yung, at least meron siyang rainfall type na shower or normal. And hot and cold din. So, sabihan ko na lang kayo final feedback kung meron akong reklamo about hindi umiinit or lumalamig. And then there's CR, of course, meron 2 towels. May 3rd towel na yata na kami nabigyan kasi 3 packs yung kinuha namin dito. Then, natin kung gumagana bidet. About natin sa hotel ang may bidet. Bidet test. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we're here at their deluxe room, which sinasabi dun sa actually sa Klook, 2 twin beds. But it looks like parang 2 twin beds na rin. Parang bonus na yun. Ang laki-laki kasi. Kapag nakasya ang 2 adults, actually 3 adults pa nga, 3 teenagers eh. Pero sa situation ngayon, kasama natin si Team Fighting Gia. So, yung 2 parents and 1 child, and ako, solo ko, yung isang kama. So, meron din silang pasapa sa mga visitors na gusto dumaan dito at makita yung hotel. Kasi natutuwa sila sa hotel nila. Meron silang, pwede na matulog dito. Malamig, sarap po. Ay, back pain pala. Dapat dito ako matutulog. So, pwede matulog yung iba dito yung mga kabataan. But, check natin yung bed. Bed test. As you all know, maarte ako sa unan. Ay, swak yung nipis niya. I'll maybe, baka mag-enjoy ako matulog dito. Swak yung unan, yung kapal. But yung punta dito, ay, medyo may konting gaspang siya. Parang gano'n. Pero we'll check kung talagang ganito ba siya talaga. But we shall see. Pero yung type of bed, let's see. Ay, nga, twin type siya. Hindi siya foam type. Lahat naman siguro ng hotel gano'n. So, back painless. No back pain, dapat ang tulog natin. More on neck lang talagang problema ko para sa pillow. So, check natin dito kung gano'n din ang pagkakanda ko. Yung kumot naman, okay, pero may naramdaman ako parang parang yung tuldok-tuldok na yung gaspang, parang gano'n. So baka dahil sa kakadaba nila, dito naman, ganoon din. But anyway, just a feedback. And, ano pa ba? Ito, workstation table, at least meron silang working area. May saksakan, kaya pwede din plug yung aking laptop. Tapat ko na naman yung aircon. By the way, their aircon is very new. Mukhang bagong-bago, carrier siya. At napakalamig. Pumasok kami, di ba kanina dito, na sabi ko, wow, lamig-lamig, ang sarap. So, ayos. Good job dun si Miss Hotel. And of course, additional patungan luggage area. And may malaking 40-inch TV. Ay, sino to? 40-inch TV. Oh my God, this is me. So you can check my YouTube channel. It's Insane World. So I've been doing a lot of things that's really insane. That's really insane. And that mostly travel content ang pinapost ko. So kasama natin si Tim Fighting Gia. Gusto daw niya ng Dede. Gusto mo ng Dede? O sino? Musta? Yan. Feel free to subscribe, guys. At tagal-tagal ko na nag-vlog. 1995 pa. 1995 pa ako gumagawa ng content. Pero followers ko 6,000 lang. Nakakalungkot. Oh. Okay, so check natin yung balcony. So, konting saglit lang. Mainit dito, guys, kasi yung buga ng aircon nandito. Kaya mainit dito. But may view dito yung yung beach. Green na green. Grabe. Ayan, ito yung Ban Beach. May history ako dyan. Ito, Ban Beach Resort. Year 2017 yata. Punta ako doon. So yun guys, so ayun nga, nandito tayo sa The Miss Hotel. First impressions, I tried deviating, putting away my influences sa napanood kong mga vlogs na parang at saka comments na parang pangit daw doon, luma naman dyan eh. Ang ganda-ganda nga na Station 1 nga, maganda yung location, sobrang ganda, pero ang pangit ng mga rooms, pangit ng hotel, that's why walang nagbubook, parang gano'n. So far, first impressions, mukhang hindi naman yata sila tama. Parang nagustuhan ko kagad yung first impressions, their service, welcome kami. Tapos may padala kagad ng drinks, tapos may nag-service kagad sa amin, tapos pagpasok, sobrang lamig. Sabi pa sa amin, napakalamig na po sa loob, so parang asset nila yun na napakalamig ng aircon. At natuwa kami kasi tanghaling tapat kami lumipat. They allowed us to check in earlier than the standard check-in. So, again, we booked, this is deluxe room with 2 twin beds, and we booked this via Klook and use our Klook promo code. You can use our Klook promo codes in St. Klook or Finding Gia Klook for an additional discount. Just in case plano nyo pumunta dito. Nabook pa lang namin to for how much? 5,500 as far as I can remember. So I would say Station 155 is really a good deal. Mamaya ko pa dapat sasabihin doon sa finale, but yun, sinabi ko na agad. Alright. Gia!
Sit down.
Sit down. Lalabas na kami, punta na kami sa Muchos para dun sa konting kain para may panlaman ng tiyan before mag-sunset paraw. But kung alis kayo ng hotel, buksan nyo naman yung Insane World. Play nyo lang sa playlist. Yung playlist ng Insane World kapag alis kayo lagi sa yung mga hotel sa Boracay. So, ako rin pala. Ito yung lobby nila, guys. Ganda. Malaki. Gia! Anong fish ka ngayon? We've decided na dito sa Muchos kumain. Ayan. Alright. Let's go. Pwede nyo siya actually mabook sa Klook, guys. By the way, dito sa Muchos in Boracay, you can actually have a discounted purchase kapag kakain kayo dito sa Boracay Beachfront Station 1 using Klook. Ayun nga, you can buy 2,000 cash voucher for only 1,750 pesos. Ito yung Muchos, so dito lang sa Station 1, malapit sa Astoria. So mas makatipid kayo kaysa diretso, and they acknowledge na pwede yung Klook or Bookie. So have different drinks like white wine, beer, fresh juice, red wine, kombucha, fresh shakes, horchata, coffee, pineapple. Okay, so may tequila. Ayan. So, marami pa naman pagpipilian dito sa Muchos. Yay! Patatas fritas! Gia! Pangklok!
Yum.
Masang tomato. Alright, we're done with our quick breakfast. Quick snack here at Muchos. Again, you can use my Klook promo code in same Klook for an additional discount. You can also use my Bouquet Prime subscription with 35% discount. It's sane. Yay! Mommy! Follow mommy! Follow mommy! Gia in Boracay. Dapa-dapaan. Dapa-dapaan.
Up.
Sabayan na ng sanda.
Up.
Malapit lang talaga. Walking distance. Walking distance lang ang mga establishment sa The Muse. Best location. Pasok. Then, ay, wait lang. Cheers tayo, dali. Okay, ready? 1, 2, cheers! This is not... Cheers! 1, 2, 3. Yay! This is non-alcoholic, by the way. Napaka-convenient talaga dito sa sa The Muse. For the reason na kapag ang plan day nyo is maraming activities, talagang dinestined ko talaga na dito sa The Muse yung Friday.
Guys, so super minor.
Yung lower ground yung yung swimming pool nila. Wala masyado naliligo. Okay. Ano ba picture dito ba? Doon sa entrance lang. Hello, how are you?
Kuya Insane.
Ay, kilala ko ni wait lang. Kilala ko ni Jem. Grabe. Ayan.
Kamusta po kayo? Nakita ko po si Kuya Insane work
Ay.
dito.
Nakakapag-atter naman. Ating idol sa sa ating mga Boracay vlogs. Hello po. Hello po.
Nice to meet you. Ingat
Enjoy.
kayo.
Hi. Hello ulit. Hello ulit. Ibiu. Oh,
Kakayaan.
oh, nagkakayaan. Is this my straw, Gia? Is this my straw? Okay, cheers. Wait lang. Masarap. Sabi ko nga guys, Hello Mango, check. Chonas, check. And final na hindi pa natatry namin for mandatory Boracay is Coco Mama or Mango Mama. Let's go. Dito tayo sa katabi ng The District. Daming tao, grabe, Friday. Dito sa Hello Mango. Ito yung Boracay na for the past 10 years, 11 years, ganito ang Boracay na naalala ko. Okay, so we're back here at Jonas. Ang daming tao sa D-Mall. Nag-withdraw lang din ako. Sobrang init din. Sobrang crowded kaya mainit. So, ito kami sa Master Siomai. Na-miss namin na Master Siomai. Ako ngayon is punta sa Muse. Nasa The Muse nga. Punta sa beach and then imo-imo konti. Morning pa. Ayan, ang ganda ng beach. Morning. Crystal clear. Oh my God. Beachfront na beachfront talaga dito sa The Muse. May hugasan pa dito ng buhangin kagabi. Pag galing ka sa buhangin. Yan. Ay, wala silang mga benches dito, so you need to set up yung tabi siya ditong Nalka, seafood and oyster bar. And then meron din dito view sa taas. And then ito yung the muse. Yeah. Malumot. Ayun yung activities area guys. So maganda dito sa The Muse. Kung gusto nyo ng less hassle sa mga activities, dito lang kayo magstay. Para pagbalik ang activities, hotel na yung kinagbaksakan. Maliban sa Astoria, The Muse pwede nyo gawing option. Pupuntahan natin itong lumot. Woo! Ay sarap. Lumot. Kaya na yung damus, so damus. Nainita guys, 9 o'clock. Ay, mga 9 o'clock pa lang. Isa yata ako sa top result sa YouTube eh. Okay na po, okay. No problem. And so malit lang po ako na vlogger. Don't worry. Hindi po tayo perfect. Okay lang po yan. Yung lumot, grabe. Dito sa Station 1. But seasonal kasi siya. Sometimes may times na, di ba, taon-taon ako nag-Boracay tapos April or May. Ngayon ko lang nakita na malumot ngayong April. Ngayon lang up. Usually nasa Station 2 yung lumot o kaya Station 3. Ngayon, Station 3 ngayon nang walang lumot. So, seasonal siya. So, you need to plan ahead. Kung kahit saan kayo mag-book na hotel, lalo na pag beachfront. There are a lot of selections. So, I've been trying to book beachfront hotels para mas makita nyo yung features and benefits kapag doon kayo nag-stay. Dito sa The Muse, pwede mo i-expose yung legs para matanggal lang ang sand. Meron silang sariling gripo. Kasi madalas ka punta ng beach di ba? So, pwede rin panghilamos. Ayan. Hello po, morning. Room 317 po. 317. Mainit nga lang dito sa breakfast area nila. Vicente, more on electric pan lang siya. Look at this. Let's start off with toasted bread. Magpapatoast kayo ng bread. Meron ditong fruits, pineapple and watermelon. Cornflakes, cocoa crunch. Fresh milk, brown sugar, white sugar for your coffee. And then meron din ditong bell pepper, white onion, mushroom soup. I'm not sure kung ano ba ito. Tapos may iced tea. So on this side may macaroni soup pa. So ubos na yata. Gusto ko pa naman. Sorry, dito 8 o'clock na kasi. Vegetable salad. May mga Thousand Island silang dressing. May pansit. Meron silang chocolate syrup and pancake syrup, pancake. Plain rice, garlic rice. Meron silang scrambled egg, spam meatloaf, chop suey, pork tocino. Yun nga, parang puro pork siya. Fried daing bangus and roasted chicken. Ito lang non-pork. So may pansit, may garlic rice, may scrambled egg, chop suey, saka fish. And then nagpaluto ako ng cheese omelette. Nagpaluto ako ng cheese omelette. Tapos kumuha ako ng cold water. Kasi init. Gia, ano gawa mo? Ba't ka introvert kahapon? Aham. Sabihin mo, water please. Cheese omelette, pinaluto ko. Tapos pancake. So simple lang din yung breakfast sila, but we're going to taste it first.
Ay, congee.
Sopas. Ngayon di sopas.
Nakaibang sopas siya. Parang sopas na tunaw yung noodles, pero bago luto siya kasi nagpaluto ka rin.
Ano Gia?
Scrambled egg.
Butter.
Scrambled egg okay.
Platter.
Rob, punta ako ng please. Yung chicken parang ano, parang sa gilikan. Isda, bangus. Tilapia ba no? Bangus. Mas isda. Ano naman yung isda?
Ito kasi yung gusto niya.
Soup. Oh, soup. Wow! Di na boy.
Yan yung gusto niya.
Puy-puy ko talaga, namimili ka na. As you can see, beachfront siya. Napakagandang beachfront. Konti lang yung lumot dito, but for the past few days, maraming lumot. But then again, if you prefer this kind of hotel that is directly in front of the beach and near the attractions, you can book this via Agoda and you can use my Agoda promo codes. My standard promo code is Pagoda ko, but you can check out if I have a 14% discount or a better discount. Check the description below. Kasi minsan may mga pa-seasonal promo si Agoda. So, check yung description for the updated one. Let's go! O, swimming tayo. Saan tao? Pero let's go. Nag-aada-ada. Nag-aada yung ano nila, spa nila. Tayo nakalako. Wala siguro nagkapas pa masyado. Yung full schedule 8 AM to 9 PM. 4.5 feet lang yung lalim. 4.5 meaning leeg ko siya. Let's see. Gia! Sa indoor pool talaga dito. So kahit may araw, okay lang mag-swim. Yun yung isa sa mga advantage ng Muse Hotel. But actually 10:30 na. 11 AM yung check-out time. Official. So we might extend for 1 hour para lang maging chill kami na magstay dito at makapag-swim pa kami. And it will cost 1,000 pesos. So sabi mo, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Kasi si Gia, fighting Gia collab. You can use our Klook promo code fighting Gia Klook as well. Let's go! Woo! Takip chan! Alright guys, so by the way, this is our 6th hotel. 6th Boracay hotel hopping for the year 2025. This is the Muse Hotel Boracay. It's located in Station 1. And let's go teleport to our final hotel hopping for the year. For now, it's Movenpick Resort in Boracay. So let's go teleport to that hotel and resort. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! What? We're here in Movenpick Resort and Spa Boracay. What? Where am I? What? Okay guys, so ayun, tapos na tayo mag-swimming. Check out na tayo. As you all know, I provide 5 criteria in reviewing different hotels in Boracay, anywhere in the world. Number 1 is the location, number 2 is the options of rooms and the room itself, number 3 is combination of food and services, number 4 are the amenities, and number 5 is the price. So number 1, location. I will say the Muse Hotel has, for me, it's the best location along with Astoria or nearby hotels because this is like the nearest in terms of pinakamalapit sa activities. Of the place where you can ride Boracay Sunset Cruise, Boracay Highland Hopping, beachfront, Station 1, seasonal, there's lumot or not. So, and it's nearby to different establishments, restaurants, and convenient stores. So I will say it's definitely a 5. Kung pwede lang more than 5 okay siya. Okay, second criteria, room and options of rooms. I will say options of rooms, yung pagpipilian, okay lang. It was just okay for me. Sobrang limited lang, walang beachfront view. Merong beachfront view, but I think it would entail a higher price. So, ang pinili namin is yung pinakamura, which is a deluxe room and 2 twin beds. Na mukhang queen size bed. For the room naman, I would say hindi siya masyadong kung family oriented ang visit nyo, may maraming edgy, so they need to fix this edgy part na kunyari nadapa yung bata, nakakatakot na tumama dun sa edge. So doon sa kama, ganun din yung sa mga tables. But very impressed ako doon sa aircon kasi mukhang bagong-bago. Pinaghandaan nila ang summer. Pagpasok namin, full blast, ang lamig, ang sarap. Laging ganun ang feeling. Kapag galing kami sa labas, pagpasok, ay, ang sarap, ang lamig. Finally, parang ganun ang laging moment. So, thumbs up for the Miss Hotel for that. Unfortunately, yung CR parang luma na. Parang yun yung napabayaan. They need to improve yung CR. Well, for Station 1 resort na sa labas mukhang ang ganda-gandang tignan, dapat i-fix nila yung sa loob, which is yung CR na lang din. Some of the pictures na lang dito is parang 3-star hotel. Yung table, medyo parang limited space, so parang hindi nga komportable dito na mag-work. Pero kung maarte ako kasi kaya okay lang naman sa akin, but na-imagine ko yung iba na mag-work copy from different hotels na same level like 4-star ganun. Mag-a-adjust sila, ay pangit ganun. So I would say room and option of rooms 4. Food and services, yung food sa akin, it was just okay for me. Natuwa naman ako sa cheese omelette, but other than that, parang okay lang sa akin. So that's 4. Services, maganda yung pag-welcome sa amin, kasi kami lang yata yung pumasok, so I appreciate that. Parang wow, good morning, ganyan, welcome. Tapos biglang inasikaso kami na may drinks, inabot kami. Then lagi silang masaya, nag-greet. So I would appreciate that. So services is 5. So food is 4, services 5, 4.5. Tama ba ako? 4.5. Fourth criteria, amenities. Meron silang pool, at least may pool sila na maliit, tapos indoor pa. So sa mga takot sa araw at gusto mag-swimming, so okay yun sa inyo. But may mga tao kasi na gusto may beach at gusto tinatama ng araw, so hindi kayo okay for this hotel. Wala silang gym. Yung amenities, katapat siya, beachfront siya. Tapat lang yung beach, walking distance lang, so that's a plus as well. So I would say amenities is 4. Finally, for the price. Kaya nagugulat kasi ako pag yung Muse, kasi yung The District medyo papuntang Station 2 mas malapit sa D-Mall hindi siya ipapuntang Station 1 So nagulat ako na mas mahal yung The District, although medyo social yung dating niya. 7.5 yung default. Ito mga 5 or minsan may less than 5 pa nga ako nakitang price na 4,000 plus lang So tapos ganito yung yung itsura, yung pagpasok pa lang, impression na nakita nyo. I would say okay yung price niya for a Station 1 hotel at beachfront pa. But yun nga, may mga cons din siya. Like for example, hanggang 11 AM lang pala yung checkout. So we need to ask for an extension. Sanay kami sa 12 yung setup namin, and kulang kami ng oras talaga. So nagbayad pa kami ng 1,000 to extend that 12 noon na checkout talaga, which is yun yung standard default checkout ng ibang hotels. So yun lang yung isa sa mga cons ko, maliban doon sa edgy, non-family friendly, tsaka yung CR medyo luma na. And ayun, for the price, for me it's still okay. I would rate it as 5. So ang total score for the Miss Hotel is 4.5/5. Okay? And of course, mapapawasan nyo pa yung price pala when you use my Klook promo code, Insane Klook, for an additional discount. Yung kasama natin kanina, you can also use our Klook promo code, Paninjia Klook. If in case you preferred Agoda talaga to book this hotel, you can use my Agoda promo code, Agoda ko, for a 10% discount. But check the description for the updated codes. Lagi kami nag-update ng mga codes, at minsan may mas malaki dahil seasonal or hindi. So check down below yung comments or description. Ayun guys, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Medyo malat ako. 2 AM kasi ako nakauwi. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the share button if you would like to share to your friends, to your families, to your colleagues. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys, have a good day, stay safe, and see you on the next hotel hopping, which is our finale hotel here in Boracay Hotel Hopping year 2025, which is Movenpick Resort and Spa. Pupunta tayo doon. And again, I would say that the Miss Hotel is an insane hotel. Bye guys, thanks guys for watching. Have a good day. Sana may natutunan kayo. Sana may nakuha kayong aral. Tama na ka. Bye bye. and we're planning to go to our final Boracay hotel hopping, which is in Movenpick. Let's go. We're going to teleport into that by hopping. Okay, let's go. Woo! Oh my god, finally the conclusion of the Boracay hotel hopping series. We're here at Movenpick Resort and Spa Boracay, and this is located in Station 0